Hi guys, this is the assignment of the last week, okay? And which reaction is more exothermic? This is the one of the issue if you see the two reactions that shown here. The reaction of hydrogen with chlorine and reaction of hydrogen with iodine. Which is preferred? Actually, you can easily calculate the change of the enthalpy by the use of the bond energy. This is one of the important techniques. And you can obtain the bond energy from these tables. Okay? The bond energy of the hydrogen and hydrogen is this, and chlorine and chlorine is this, and HCl is there. Then you can calculate the change of the enthalpy using this technique, 436 and 242 minus 2 times 431. This means, okay, you need to make this bond. So when you make bond, in that case, this value should be negative. And if you need break bonds, in that case, this, bond energy should be positive. And sum up all these values. So this one, and minus, actually, you can get the two molecule of the HCl. So 2 times this one minus, okay? Then you can get this value minus 184 kilojoule per mole. That means the reaction is exothermic reaction. Reaction might be proceed, and you can obtain the HCl from the hydrogen and chlorine. On the other hand, how about hydroiodic acid formation? You can calculate the same way to obtain just minus 9 kilojoule per mole. It's exothermic, but actually very tiny exothermic reaction. I mean the slightly exothermic reaction. So you can easily think about these two reactions, the difference of these two reactions. The upper one, the formation of HCl. This is large exothermic reaction, so maybe this reaction proceeds very smoothly. On the other hand, the lower one is not so favorable. Maybe this, reaction is, somehow it could be proceeded, but some iodine and hydrogen should be remain in the reactor. This is one of the important way to think about the reaction. And here you can see, of course, chlorine is much easier to react with hydrogen than iodine, even though bond energy of chlorine is larger than that of iodine. But be careful. Change of the enthalpy is not always the answer to everything. So next video, we will discuss about the driving force of the chemical reactions. And you need to imagine that sometimes, delta H is not need to proceed and push the reactions, You do not, if you do not observe the change of the heat of the reaction system, the reaction can proceed very smoothly. Okay, see you next